Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Ant Audio Treble X1000 mini speaker. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. On the box, you see the included features such as the Bluetooth wireless connectivity of up to 10 meter range, the TWS connection, the dual speaker, the FM radio, USB compatibility, SD card compatibility, and aux input, and hands-free calling. At the bottom of the box, you see a diagram of what looks like a concept art for the speaker. This speaker is compatible with iPods or MP3 players, smartphones, laptops, or tablets. Now, let's open up the box. Inside the box, you have the speaker itself, a welcome note, a box containing the micro USB charging cable, and the 3.5mm audio cable. Now, coming to the speaker. The speaker looks pretty aesthetic with the urban graffiti-like artwork in the front. The speaker is completely made of plastic but looks pretty sturdy. It's got 52mm premium audio drivers providing a crystal clear deep bass. In the middle, you have a dial which acts as a power button and the volume controls.
Power on. Your Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
At the top of the speaker, you have the call-in button, the track skipping buttons, and the mode button, which switches between different modes in this speaker. This is the radio mode.
The radio mode. Your Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
At the back of the speaker, you have the 3.5mm audio cable jack, the micro SD card input, the USB input, and the micro USB charging port. At the bottom of the speaker, you have this stand, which is pretty frictional as well. This speaker has got a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery. It provides 6 to 7 hours of playback time, which seems pretty standard, with a 150-hour standby time. The charging time required is approximately 2 hours. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Ant Audio Treble X1000 mini soundbar. Thank you for watching and goodbye.